All right. What's up, everyone? We're looking at LCFY. $10. All right. Let's try in one day. So let's try a week. All right. Classic strategy. Just gonna wait at least 3 to 4 minutes past the bell. Just look at all these shorts piling up. See where the momentum is going, and my God. Holy crap, dude. Dude, yeah, how's it going on it? Yeah, can you hear me? Mic is. Yeah. Yeah, can you hear me? I could hear you earlier, but not right now. Oh, yeah, I can hear you now. Oh, you're good. Dude, how's it going? Dude, yeah, I bet. But you got the job, right? Bro, nice. When are you starting? Okay, nice. Bro, pretty soon. Yeah. Yeah, I mean it seems like a good job, right? Yeah. Dude, I know. I know, man. It is pretty tough. Yeah. But I've been doing better on day trading though, which has been pretty nice. Yeah. I know, dude. I was literally so sad. I literally should have just moved my loss to like break even, because then I wouldn't have gotten triggered and lost more money. Yeah, yeah, but yeah, I mean I'm still up on the week because of Monday. Um, but yeah, I just wanna do good today too. Um, I'm looking at LCFY. Not really sure if it's a good one to look at, but it's like the top gainer of the day. So, um, yeah, yeah. And so here, because I'm looking at it right now, do you see how it kind of like topped out at the same point? Um, yeah, but if it kind of has some support that it keeps bouncing off of. So I'm gonna try to just take like a small. Uh, yeah. Oh wow, that's a really small. Well, actually, dude. I am not buying 500 shares. No, 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 no. I know. I'm just trying to calculate the like ratios. Dang, dude, the spread is pretty huge. So 930, bro. Are you serious, dude? It's like nothing. So I need like that much room. 925. Oh my god. I'm gonna only have to buy like 200 shares. Yeah. But yeah, I've been doing better about buying like when there's uh like when the stock is down, but I sort of see potential for it to go up rather than when it's already up trying to see if there's more potential to go up. Which I mean it is up right now, but like if it keeps coming down or like stops stocks that were like pushing up in the pre-market and then came all the way back, and it just seems I don't know, it seems to be working. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Let's see. Oh shoot, bro. They just broke it like instantly. I feel like it. I know the spread is huge. I feel like it could be a good point to go in. I'm gonna go in here. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I should have waited for the candle to. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why the spreads are so big. But I'm just looking for it to get near this high and then I'm selling, to be honest. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is a little shaky up here. Yeah, I mean, the other top gainers today are CYN, and ALT, and then SRFM. Those are some ones that I have up on my other screen here. I'm still using TradingView. Yeah, I'm using the Zendu scanner. All right, we're approaching that high here. Yeah. The volume's coming up, which is a good sign. Or a bad sign. Hmm. Bro, this is it touched that line that I drew. Um, yeah, I'm selling well if it ever freaking loads and goes through. Um, yeah, that's pretty unreliable there. So I'm not gonna mess with it. Honestly, probably wasn't too good of a trade. Um, bro, oh my god, oh my god, bro. Yeah, I don't even know how much I. Oh, sweet, I got 160 bucks. Bro, it exploded. I know. I had no confidence that it was gonna explode up or down. Like, and I, yeah, on yeah. Because I mean, look, it exploded up, but even right now, it could still explode down. Why is why is it so like volatile? Let me see. Oh my god, the float is 1 million. That's why it's volatile. Yeah, meaning like there's just pretty much no uh no excess shares. But when I had like a really good trade last week, dude, the stock had like 200K float and it like wasn't doing anything and then it just like boomed up. And honestly, I only got like a fifth of the profits. Like it hit my take profit really quick. Yeah. It just makes it really volatile, honestly. LCFY. Dude, yeah, bro. Everyone's such a idiot in the chat. I genuinely like am not even looking at the chat. Well, also I really like getting the Zendu scanner up, um, And then I really just try to find the stocks of the day, and then I kind of don't really like look at it that much. And then I just try to do like my own analysis instead of trying to look at the hot stocks every like 5 minutes. Yeah, because I kept getting like distracted and I'm like, oh, this one's cooking right now. Like this one's doing really good. Instead of just like finding one that was good already and then just looking at it. Dude, oh my gosh, bro, it's going crazy. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, that is a good point. 40, you said 43, 45. Yeah, the lows were the same. Yeah. Um, well, we got in at 40 and got out at 45, but like 45, like the beginning of 45 before it jumped. Well, it was jumping around, and I was just like, yeah, let's just get out. Yeah, yeah. I kind of want to check out BBAI. That's the one that I was trading yesterday. Hmm. Well, shoot, I don't actually. Let's see. Pre market, nothing really happened. Um. Yeah. Now it is. Yeah. Yeah, it'd just be like kind of a continuation from yesterday. Yeah. Okay. Mm. All right. Yeah. Never mind. That's. It doesn't really have news. I mean, yeah. I guess let's just go back to. Yeah. Yeah. It is. Um. It just seems like it's on the downward trend rather than an upward trend. Yeah. All right. Wait. What's up? Oh. Oh yeah. Bruh. Are you serious? That's ridiculous. Dude, maybe I go in with 100 shares. Which usually I put like $5,000 into a trade, but this is only putting $1,000 into a trade. Yeah, I should have entered off the dip. Um, it's really close to the high right now. So No, it didn't close past it. Or actually, I don't know. It looked pretty close. There we go. With $100, the stop loss is actually at a reasonable, or sorry, 100 shares. The stop loss is reasonable. Because that puts the stop loss $2 below where it's at right now. Which, if you look at the chart, I mean, bro, that's still like not even that far, but it's like that's pretty like it's probably not gonna shoot down and hit that in one candle. Is pretty much what I'm. Bro, yeah, actually, that's. Yeah, I don't want to set us up for for the huge red candle. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. It did just hit almost hit 11, which is where I was planning on going in, because you see that's where it touched on the previous dip. Um, yeah, I'm gonna wait for it. I wanted it to hit it and then sort of gain momentum and start increasing. Dude, yeah. Yeah, they did. I had to type in the chat. I did. Yeah, exactly. Okay, these Yeah. I'm gonna wait for two green candles with increasing highs before I get back in. Yeah. Yeah. I'm that last one, bro, barely counts as a green candle. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm counting that one. Yeah, yeah. If this one crosses the high and closes above the high of the next two candles, I feel like that would look pretty good. Just because even though the other one was small, like it just kind of shows like a stopping point. But I'm sort of doubting that that's gonna happen. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, no, that is a good way. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, everyone's talking about LCFY. They're all just like spamming the chat, bro. I think. Yeah, bro. I have no idea. Bro, he's got to be capping. There's no way. Yeah, bro. This could all the way touch the middle VWAP line. Yeah. Yep. Definitely. Look where it dipped to like at 725. Yeah. Bruh, why do we keep getting the crappiest green candles ever? Yeah, dude. I don't think I'm counting that. But yeah, everyone's talking about it because none of the other stocks are doing good. Oh my gosh, this thing is tanking, dude. Bro, who said LCFY looks beautiful right now? What are they even talking about, dude? Actually, you're probably right. Perfect. Oh my god, yeah. One dude actually did say he was shorting, but he was shorting up like 10 minutes ago when dude, I don't know, that seemed pretty risky. All right, maybe this can be our first green one. Or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Uh yeah. We need yeah, we need something with more volume, like increasing volume. Which we're probably gonna have. We're probably gonna have. Yeah, it definitely would be risky, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait till it closes. For sure. And then we'll see what the third candle is looking like. Yo, honestly, that doesn't look that good. Yeah, nah. Yeah. All right. I'll wait for another one. I want another green candle with more volume than the last two candles. Not necessarily. I don't really know. Bro, the volume is so low though, dude. Maybe because everyone's scared to buy right now, but that's probably not good either. Dude, bruh. Alright. Really? Dude, but sometimes I see it a second ahead, but then it takes me an extra second for the trade to place. Which is I sell and then it changes like 13 cents in between when I press it and then when it actually goes through. I'm like, bro. But it is just a simulator though, so I don't know. Well, that was not ideal. Yeah. I know, yeah. Like they're just yeah. I mean, the market is like not good right now. Just in general. I've just been like doing a little bit of research and it's just like not doing very well. All right, look at that green candle. Oh, the volume's still not even that high. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh shoot, I don't have the 50 EMA line on my chart. Hmm. Yeah. I mean I could add it. I just haven't. All right, I'm going to wait for this candle to close, but dang, I mean it looks good. Yeah, above the previous couple candles, like where we were looking before. And I want the volume. I want the volume to be higher. Which, I don't know. The last 10 seconds of a candle can be important. Bruh. No, not at all. Bro, it was more convincing in the other direction. Bruh. Holy crap, bro. Look at this. Look at SVRE. Yeah. Dude, I was looking at it. I literally I saw it pop up on the scanner at 10:03 and or sorry, 8:03. Look where it's gone since 8:03, bro. Yeah. Yeah, people probably just hopped on the train at 8:05 to be honest. But also that's when it popped up on the scanner at 10:03 because I was watching the scanner and so people probably saw it and were like, "Oh yeah, let's get in." And then that's what started like pushing it up. Bro, if we look at the 5 minute chart, it looks so good right now. Yeah. That's I looked into it a little bit and it's just starting with analyzing the stock at like 1 day and then you go to 1 hour and then like 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. And you just pretty much see like has it ever been, at this high before? Like what does it usually do when it's um up where it is now? Just to get like a little more background on the stock. Dude, SVRE is cooking right now. Holy crap. Nah, dude, not. Yeah, there was, but dude, that is actually insane. Nah, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, yeah, it might be. Might be over. Yeah. Dude, yeah, we could. I know, dude. It looks insane. Yeah. Dude, these candles are huge. Bro. Holy crap. Yeah. Yeah, we can't get FOMO. Which is definitely what I'm having. I know. Bro, it just keeps going up. Yeah, I try to stick around a 2 to 1. Yeah, I mean, sometimes I start with it just to like put the line there, see where. Yeah. Bro. Oh, I got halted. Dang. Bro, LCFY is doing terrible. Yeah, yeah, for me, it's right at VWAP right now. Oh, yours is at 880? Bro, mine's at 925. Wow. Dude, that's so weird. Alright, the volume did increase. I mean, it was for a red candle, but it means more people are actually like, yeah, watching it at least. Oh yeah. Bro, whose man's bought it right as it halted? That is like an awful place to buy it. Why did he why did he buy it there? No, you can't. He bought it right before. Dude, this guy just said rip and dip or dip and rip. What is this guy talking about, bro? He has no idea. Bro, everyone's tweaking. It does not look decent at all. It looks like it shot up for no reason. Dude, literally, there was not even any news. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Bro, LCFY looks so bad. Oh, I see. Yeah. 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 Bro, yeah. Oh, shoot, bro. Oh, no. Oh, WFF. Yeah. All right. Wait. Look at LCFY. The volume's so light. Oh wait, but it's only 30 seconds into the candle. All right. All right. Let's see. 1060. Yeah, the previous those highs. I'd say 1030. Yeah, I would take it. Oh, never mind. It looks terrible. Well, it doesn't. It doesn't look terrible, but I would need another couple candles. One other one, maybe. Hmm. Oh, SVRE just resumed. Yeah, I know. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, the SVRE float is under 500K. That's why it's getting. Yeah, the float, bro. Doesn't even show the float because it's so low. Bro, how? Literally, how is it still going up, bro? Dude, it just went up like $1 in like 5 seconds as a $5 stock. Oh yeah, it's so sad. Yeah, yeah, bro. Literally, my FOMO is so bad. No, not even close. I think we're down like $4,000. Yeah. No, because every week has been a red week except for this week so far. Yeah. Um. Yeah. I think it would have to be a. Oh my gosh, dude! It just tanked massively. Well, it just tanked. It just tanked $1 and in 1 minute. Dude, yeah, I bet a lot of people did. Here, let's pop it up on the screen. Bro, that looks absolutely ridiculous. People bought the dip, though. It shot down and then people bought it. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, but bro, I feel like it'd be pretty risky. Bro, look, it's literally, dude, that was a great pullback to buy. Oh, he does. Yeah, I don't have access to that. I you have to pay more money. Yeah. Bro, honestly, I think it's not doing well anymore. Damn, bro. Yeah. 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 Hmm. Yeah, it's jumping around a lot now. I'm wondering if I should get in right now. Dang, what the heck was that candle? Oh shoot. I just went in. Yeah. It's not going good. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, wait, what the heck? What the heck just happened, dude? How did that just close? Well, alright, that wasn't good. No, I just it hit the stop loss. Bro, yeah, cause look, it just like jumped down. Well, I set my stop loss really close because I was very unsure, which was good. Like $150. Bro, yeah, technically. I think around $400. Yeah, that's all right. Dude, I know I shouldn't have said that. I said that Tuesday, and then literally I got wrecked Wednesday. It was the day that I said it, actually. No, I said it Wednesday. I was like, oh yeah, we've been doing so good. And then genuinely, dude, and I recovered too. Like, I was getting mega wrecked. I was like, oh my god, dude. I'm literally just gonna, like, lose everything. Yeah. 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 That is true. But yeah, LCFY just never looked good again, so I'm glad we never entered. And it kept going down, so. Dude, it actually has gone down so much. Bro, we actually, like, kind of would be good at shorting. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I got some stuff to do as well. Bro, yeah, I'm really glad that you ended up getting it. Dude, yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Yeah, it seems like a great company. Uh, yeah, I have a really good lead that I think I'm gonna. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's for a solar company. Yeah, they're like, oh yeah, we would love to have you. Um, just the only thing is, it's like more of a position at first, and then you move into like technical sales. Um, yeah, so and it's also a little bit risky because it's all commission, so there's no like base pay. But the commission is really good, so I would just have to be successful, you know. Well, thanks, man. All right, well, have a great weekend. Um, yeah, I'll see you. Oh, I might not actually be trading Monday. Um, yeah, so I might not be here Monday, but I'll definitely be here Tuesday. All right. Oh no, bro, are you serious, bro? Yeah, Oh my god, dude. That's actually so sad, bro. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah, yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, I'm not taking the job. No, I did have an interview with them actually, but yeah, dude, they were. I it was I misunderstood what the job was, and yeah, dude, it's not an engineering position at all. Yeah, so yeah, I was like, no, I'm not interested. But honestly, the engineer positions there sound cool, but they're like, no, you wouldn't start as that, and like it just didn't sound fun at all. But yeah, yeah, exactly. That's kind of what I was thinking. Even if I'm not like doing engineering stuff per se, like that's still what I'm interested in. So, oh wait, what you? Oh yeah, yeah, dude. Sales does seem pretty challenging. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe. I mean, it's definitely tough, but I think it's a good like thing to learn how to do. So, dude, yeah, it is random. He's had a bunch of interviews recently. He's still kind of working on it. Yeah, dude, I know. All right, well, yeah, have a good weekend, man. Yeah. All right, see you later. Yeah, yeah, for sure. All right, see ya. All right, we're in on LCFY. Um, yeah, honestly, probably should have been done for the day, but I thought it looked good. Um, yeah, so look at this, look at this. Oh shoot. Yeah, so it came down here, dipped, and now it's sort of breaking this downward trend. Um, in my mind. So we're gonna stay in it, and this will probably be the last trade of the day, and hopefully it goes well. Well, not hopefully. We're gonna analyze to make sure it goes well. There's no hoping in this game. But yeah, now we just wait and try to reanalyze here. Let's see, volume was coming up 90 to 245 to 200. It's okay. this is unfortunate. This does not look good here. All right. Last trade of the week here. See what we're working with. Honestly, a bit aggressive on my end on the entry. Probably should have waited for another green candle. Another big green candle. But I don't think it was a bad entry. Whoops. All right. Oh man, this volume is so low. It's a little bit unfortunate. Yeah, the volume's pretty low. That's my only concern. Let's see what's the volume here. Also pretty low. Alright, well. If you look at it, if you're drawing a downtrend line, boom, you come down here, it's breaking the downtrend just because it's not necessarily because it's an uptrend, but just because it has stopped the downtrend. Which when I went in was sort of where it's at. It was like breaking the downtrend, and that's kind of where I'm trying to go in. But yeah, we're just Just kind of waiting and seeing what's going on. Yo, what's up? Demon Raider, how's it going, man? How you doing today? And also, thank you for joining. I appreciate it. Dang, I got like a frog in my throat. Yeah, this trade that I'm showing you right here is doing okay. It's doing okay. How's my trading today? It's been going all right. I had one negative trade to start off, and then one positive trade, and or switch that around, and I'm like break even. But this week's going really well. I'm up on the week, around $500, which isn't a huge amount, obviously, but it's pretty good for me. Obviously, I'm using a paper trader here, but yeah, hopefully we're gonna get some good things going here. Oh, hey, look, we're popping up here. Let's check the volume. Volume is looking really good. So let's see if we can get some success on this trade here. Yeah, it's going pretty well. Honestly, dang, bro, I just started trading, like about a month ago, maybe like 2 months ago. So I've just kind of been trying to learn everything and see when to trade, see when to place my trades, and what stocks to look at, and it's definitely been a process so far. But yeah, this is actually my first week that I've been up since I started, with the exception of like some really small weeks, or like break even weeks. So I'm making progress, and just posting my daily streams, my daily progress on the channel. So I'm glad you can come out and support, and if you wanna if you wanna see more of anything, let me know. I'm just gonna post in my trades. I could do like I don't know, like a visual recap, so I show you all like the numbers and everything, like then how much I've lost slash won, and like how many trades I made. Which I've been thinking about doing that actually. But yeah, anyways, this trade, look at this, it's doing pretty good. I didn't have a take profit set, which I typically do, but let's just trying to see if it runs. Let's see, what's the volume here? 284K. It's pretty good. All right, this is the moment of truth. If it can break the VWAP and hold above the VWAP, which is just this line right here. All right, holding above VWAP. shoot. Which stocks do I prefer? So far I've like a little criteria. Also, yeah, congrats for trading for a year. That's awesome. Hopefully I'll get there. Um, but yeah, the stocks I tend to look at, so they have a I try to look for volatile stocks, so something that would have news for the day, like this one I'm trading right now, and then usually between like $1 and like $15 is typically what I've been trading, just because you can see like profit on your margins. You don't have to invest like a ton of cash, and then also ones with low float. So like float under 20 million shares, maybe like 25 million shares, just because of that like volatility piece, which has been working all right for me. That those are just um, stocks I've been choosing for the volatility. So like, um, yeah, just to make sure I know they're moving on the day. Oh, also, they're usually up at least like 10 to 15% on the day. So I mean, if they're down on the day, then I'm not gonna trade it. But if they're up on the day and then they've come back, then I would probably trade it. Yeah, that's my strategy so far. What is your strategy? Also, this pullback is pretty annoying. Hopefully it bottoms out here. Honestly, I'm raising my stop loss up to break even, just so I don't lose money, because I am currently up on the day a little bit, so I don't want to lose money. Yeah, that's my strategy so far. Um, it's not like a you know secret or anything, and that strategy has been used before just to find good stocks. Man, I don't know where to exit here. To be honest, I was looking at this peak right here at 990. Actually, it's like 10, but I probably won't make it there. So, okay, the trends and use supply and demand zones to trade from them. Nice. Yeah, I've definitely seen that as a strategy. Just like if it's on a downtrend, breaks the downtrend, then you trade it, or if it's just on the uptrend. How do you so the supply and demand zones? How do you determine that? Do you use the float, or do you use something else? Yeah, that's a yeah. I have seen that strategy, and it seems to work really well. And hopefully, it's working for you. All right, this dumb stock, bro. Dude, my VWAP line seems to be off. Also, this is just a rest in peace right here. Oh man, that was literally so close to touching my loss, which is actually a profit now, but or break even, whatever. Damn interesting. Let's check the volume again. 200K pretty much. It's okay. Bro, the volume is just nothing, bro. Oh my gosh. Look at the volume over here. Like, damn. You know what, bro? I'm out of here. Just not confident. Yeah. Oh well, we could have made some money, but whatever. I'm not too confident. And hey, still a green day, up about $100. He said support and resistance, but use zones, not price levels. All right. Cool. Interesting. I gotta do some more research on that, because it's good to know all of the it's good to know all the strategies, right? Just so you can kind of see what people are thinking, hopefully. But yeah, hey, thanks for joining. I'm probably gonna be done for the day. Not even gonna lie, I'm done for the week. But yeah, first green week ever for me, actually, in a couple months. So we're on the up and up, and I'll keep doing some more research on your strategy and different strategies. But yeah, thanks for joining the stream and helping me out, commenting down below, seeing what's going on. I'll keep posting my journey. Yeah, yo, Power, good to see you too. That's awesome. But yeah, I'm done for the day, but yeah, all right, I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend.